Okay, I need to cut out the tie downs for the stand-up paddleboard that I'm building, and they're rather small and somewhat fragile, a little sketchy to make, so I decided to do it with the Shaper Origin, and because I recently got the Shaper Trace, I decided to use that too. So the Trace is just like a picture frame that you can throw around a drawing or an image, and you quickly scan it using their little app. Very simple to use app, internet-based. Take your picture, and then you can export an SVG file that's ready to cut, or using a Cricut or a laser or something like that. Exported it to Illustrator here because I wanted to make my circle more round, because this thing is very, very precise, and you can see it. Even though I used a circle template, there must have been a little jog in my line, and it could see that. So I just tried to just change it to a circle. Here I'm using the Helix feature to drill all the holes first ahead of time before I cut the pieces out. It basically just slowly plunges and rotates around the circle without you having to move the router or give it any real instructions other than start. And then when I cut it out, I used auto pass, which slowly steps the router down in 4 passes in this case. So that way I didn't chip any out or throw any or suck them up the dust collector or damage them in any way. They're very delicate little tiny pieces that would be really hard to make any other way. And with this, it's like super, super, super easy. Make a drawing, take a picture, send it to the router and cut it out. I mean, we live in the future. And they are so accurate, like within a couple thousandths to each other, that it's unbelievable that this actually works. And they're perfectly accurate to the drawing without any kind of manipulation. It's unbelievable.